Hi guys, John from Pranstech here. Just wanted to take you through some of the features of the Whiteboard app within Orion Panels. So this is your home screen. Just get the Whiteboard. I'll just run through what you might need to change or might want to change. So you've got background color there. Pretty easy one to see what happens. Just choose your color, we'll go with green. You can also use templates, guys, if you want to. You can just go to any picture, let's say a wallpaper. That could be your wallpaper or your background. And then you've got the typical features within any interactive panel whiteboarding, different colors, different pen width. You can also erase that with the palm or back of hand sort of thing. Or you can just slide to clear it all in one hit, which is handy. You've also got a cursor feature here that you can move that around if you wanted to, or clone it, or delete it. You can insert images as well. And I can do the same, clone that. Bin it if I don't want it. Resize it and move it. You can also undo, redo, if you don't like the size or whatever it might be. You've got shapes in here as well. And you can also move that around. And resize if you wanted to. And lay it over the top. Just on the right hand side here, you can add pages and you could change the background color if you wanted to white for that page, and just scroll through the pages using those arrows. And if you wanted to see all the pages, you can see all the pages there. If there's something you don't want, you can delete from here. Then once you're ready to share, this is a good one. So QR code's very popular. If you've got multiple people in the room, saves everyone walking up one at a time to take a photo. You can just generate the QR code and people can take a scan of the QR code, which is very popular these days, and that will send them to a link and they can download and save to their phone or iPad or tablet, whatever it might be. So that's just a quick basic run through of the whiteboarding features of the Orion panel. Look forward to seeing you soon. Take care. Bye.